So my birthday present just came in the mail and I got a sweet Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0. So let's check this out. We got a Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 smokeless fire pit. Easy to use, low smoke, stainless steel, removable ash pan, includes a stand, and a lifetime warranty. So let's check this thing out here. Flame ring, secondary burn, removable base plate, removable ash pan, 360 airflow, and a stand. Pretty excited to use this. I know you can buy like a bunch of accessories for the top of it too, so you can cook over the fire, you can do a bunch of different stuff. I think they have a few different options for what you can put on it. Let's open this guy up. Before you burn, 3 steps to a smokeless flame. Flip the ring, start small, quality over quantity. All right, gonna open this up now. Oops. Broke the styrofoam there. It's in there pretty tight. Okay, yeah, it's just in there snug. Go slide this out. Okay. This is exciting. I've been wanting one of these for a while. And I'm excited because we can probably take it to the desert and use it on our adventures if we want to, and not worry so much about having tons of smoke get all over us, stink up everything. But also we can use it pretty regularly in the backyard and not worry about smoking out the house. Let's see what we got in here. Got some directions. How to use your Solo Stove fire pit. Set those over here. And then what do we got here? Ooh, nice. Looks like a cover maybe, and a sweet sticker. That's very awesome. This appears to be a cover for the thing. We got the cover and instructions. Let's take out some more styrofoam here. Or styrofoam. And then this appears to be the inside ring that it's talking about. Flip this ring, I imagine that's what it's talking about. Needing to flip. All right, what do we got next in here? Some more. This looks like, I'm not sure what this is. What is this? Oh, this is a stand. How to use your fire pit stand. Cool. So it doesn't burn the ground. It'll set it up off the floor. Looks like it has holes in the side of it to vent it out. And another sweet sticker. I like the stickers. Getting a several $100 fire pit here, and I'm excited about the stickers. And then this looks like more foam. They packaged it pretty well. It took forever to get here though. It was late. It was actually 3 or 4 days late past my birthday because of shipping issues. Nice. So we got, this is probably the ash plate. This looks super clean and super cool. And it probably will never look this nice again. And we got that here. That part. That part. That part. And then I got some more stuff down here. What's this? It looks like one last piece inside this foam here. Oh, maybe this is the ash catcher. I'm not sure. This also looks very nice and clean, and probably won't look that way ever again. All right, now we got the last big heavy piece. I'm gonna see if I can muscle it out of here with this inside of this bag. I don't know if this bag is strong enough to lift it out. Let's see if I can get a wiggle in. It's coming out. Doesn't want to come out though. All right, here we go. Get it out now. Styrofoam is so tight on it. Still got the styrofoam on it. All right. And that's the big grill part. Thanks. Got the grill part out of the box now. I'm gonna have to break the styrofoam off the bottom of it. All right, I'm just gonna put my feet here and pull it out. All right. Get rid of that styrofoam. And now we got the nice big bonfire bonfire pit here. So now, take all these pieces out, get this thing set up, then get to go to the store and get some firewood for tonight. Got a cool little solo stove, embossed logo on the side of it. Got all the parts out of the box now. Gonna grab these instructions and assemble this thing up. So first thing we have to do is calling for this guy right here, the ash pan in the bottom center of the fire pit. So let's put that in there. Let's get that here. Kind of sets in there. Then the next piece is the base plate with the dome pointed up. So this goes in here with the dome pointed up. So you got a little cavity in there where the ash is gonna fall into. Pretty cool. That's very, very easy. And then this is going to be the smokeless ring that goes over the top of it after you put your firewood inside. And then this is going to be the stand that goes underneath it, and this will be a cover for the entire setup. So I'm gonna unpackage this and then set this up next. All right, so I got the stand out. The stand basically just goes underneath the fire pit itself. The bottom of the fire pit has a little recessed area that basically just sets on top of the stand. So we'll go ahead and do that part. Once you get it on there, you kind of just move it around until it settles in place, and now it's nice and firm. And then once I go get firewood, put the firewood in there, I will then put this ring over it. And this is what helps with limiting the smoke, making it a mostly smokeless fire pit. And then let's take a look at this cool case. Already got one awesome sticker. Already have a couple ideas for where this is gonna go. Probably gonna slap this on my laptop that I use for editing YouTube videos. And then let's see what this looks like. So I just opened up this carrying case. This is pretty awesome. Very cool. This is gonna allow us to take this smokeless fire pit to all the cool camping destinations we go to. And I'm gonna see how this goes in real quick. Get this fire pit in this carrying case just to see how it kind of works. Set that down. Up. Wrap it around here. Put the ring inside. And you got this drawstring. You can probably fit some more accessories in there, and then wow, it's pretty light. That's pretty cool. Solo stove. All right, we're about to get this new fire pit going. The solo stove. Got some firewood and some s'mores, and I'm gonna get this going here in a second.
Body smells like
kindling going here. This is called kindling, all these little pieces. You guys know that?
No?
Yeah.
You're shaving it?
Shaving it down so that we can get the fire going. That should be enough.
I feel really bad. He's burning the stuff. Okay.
Get our little fire starter in here.
Okay. Can I get this fire starter?
Right in the
Look,
middle.
why can't we do fireworks? Why can't we do fireworks, Dad?
Here we go. There we go. Got our fire starter in there. Kindling on top. Gonna light that bad boy up. Get our fire going. Okay, where's that fire starter? There we go. That boy lit. There we go. And it's lit. Let it go.
Whoa, yeah. Oh, Daddy, Daddy, don't touch the fire. So small. It's the smallest fire ever.
It'll get bigger, son. It gets bigger once you put some more logs on it. We gotta let it go. Let it get hot.
It feels so. It's already hot. Sorry,
Get a log in here. This is a little log.
Why are you putting your hands in there? Yeah, because I'm hot. Ooh, it's so hot. His hand burns.
There we go.
Daddy, Caesar, scoot your chair to the fire.
There we go.
So you can't get hot.
Max, watch out. You're too close, but it's gonna get much bigger and much hotter. Just be patient.
That's
Here we go. Got our solo stove going.
there. Dad, as close as Max.
Let that log burn, heat up a little bit.
Back. Why are you putting? You have to put your hands like this.
Like this. Stay behind this. Don't go any closer than this. I don't want the fire to burn you. It's gonna get bigger. Just wait.
Ooh. Oh, it's huge. I'm backing up. I'm backing up. I'm scared. I'm evacuating right now. If this gets any bigger. Kind of looks like a flame on a car. If you put a fire on the car, the car it'll be on fire. So oh my gosh, it's getting fire. It's getting so big. Oh, Mac, back up. It's heading towards you, Mac.
Going just off that little log. Cool. A plus. Not much smoke either at all.
Ugh,
Getting started.
Cool.
Way to go to
Smoke.
solo stove.
Let's go.
Okay, here we go.
Hey, oh
Now it's really going blue. It's really going blue now. That's really cool.
Guys, look at my
Look at down there. Super blue.
It's so hot.
Awesome. Time to roast some marshmallows. Roasting marshmallows. Don't want to burn it, keep turning it.
Oh, that's this moment.
Yep.